What's happening, everyone? Welcome to Mission of Medicine. My name is Akeem Henry, and thank you for joining my channel today. Today I'm doing an unboxing on the 2020 iPad Pro Magic Keyboard. This video has been long expected and waiting because I've been waiting to get my hands on this Magic Keyboard because everyone has been raving about it. There's been a lot of great reviews about how it's been making the iPad more of a laptop-like computer, and also just the capabilities of the endless opportunities to use the keyboard in particular ways to help maximize productivity. Me starting school in a couple of months, I would definitely like to be using this keyboard to help take notes in class and to stay organized and to keep my productivity on a high level. So let's get started with this unboxing. So right now, this keyboard, you see here, whew, let's get to it. So it took about 2.5-3 weeks for the Magic Keyboard to ship. This is the Magic Keyboard for the 12.9 version. Apple seemed like they were on back order with it. I seen like a lot of people wanted this, obviously, because it's the Magic Keyboard and everybody wants something new from Apple. However, this keyboard, I would say, is very, very expensive. $349 for the 12.9 inch version. I'm not specifically sure on how much it is for the 11 inch version, the smaller version of the iPad Pro, but I heard it was worth it, so we have to find out. We have to see whether or not it's actually worth it. But this is it straight out of the box, what it looks like. Clean packaging per usual, Apple style. It's basically like a floating screen. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about. I won't use the blade. Let's use this back part of the knife. Man, I love getting packages, especially from Apple, because their packaging is A1. Ooh. Maybe I was better off using the blade. Woo! It is heavy, kinda. Definitely has some weight to it, y'all. Okay. Easy. Easy on the hands. Okay. Apple style. Okay, so straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. Still has the wrapping on it. Has a little tab. You can peel the tab off. There we go. Ooh. Okay. You definitely can see the quality already of the built the keyboard. You can feel it. Definitely pretty sturdy. Let's open it out. Wow. And when you open, bro, I love the smell of new things. Like, oh my gosh. But when you open it out, you definitely feel that it just locks right into place. It's very easy. It locks right into place. Definitely very sturdy. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Let me get this out the way. Turn this to the side. I have my iPad Pro right here. This is a 12.9 2020 version. And I'm gonna push it right on in there. And it locks right on. And wow. Look at that. It's like absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice. You can see the way how it's positioned. It fits very well on here. For some reason, the screen is rotating vertically and not horizontal. I don't know why it's doing that. It's weird. Okay. It's like, I don't like that. It's like the screen is rotating horizontally. Come on, accelerometer. All right. No, I did it again. Like, why is the screen, like, the screen is turning vertically, but it's horizontal? Yeah, it's something weird going on here. I just took it out of the box and the screen is going vertical and not staying horizontal. This is really bugging me right now. Okay. Now it's in horizontal after just starting to use it. So let me try going to a website. Ooh, the typing on there is kind of nice, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. COVID-19. I just typed in COVID-19 to see what would pop up. Okay, a lot of different things are popping up right now. It definitely feels like a computer for sure. And this cursor, I'm playing with the cursor right now, and it's like very, very Apple-like with the gesture control. Okay, wow, this is actually pretty cool, yo. I'm not gonna lie, the experience on it is really, really nice. I mean, that's what you get with Apple. So all right, so let's try to close this down now. Wow. Okay. Flat and nice. Let's see if there's any other packaging inside the box for the keyboard. So it has this. What is it? Apple sticker, Magic Keyboard, instructions. No Apple sticker. It's pretty self-explanatory how to set up. You don't really need the instructions for this. So, and then it opens out. The only thing is with the opening out part, okay, this keyboard experience is pretty good. My fingers are kind of big, so I don't know if y'all noticed as I was typing, my middle finger was coming up and bouncing the bottom of the screen. Probably have to bend it down a little bit like that. If I have it too far up, I'm trying to touch up here, I can kind of have some tapping motion. So kind of have to bring it down and then type from here. Okay, so the typing experience is very nice. It reminds me of the Apple MacBook Pro typing experience, which is pretty good because having that type of experience for typing is very rare. So having that on the keyboard and the Magic Keyboard is definitely saying one. And then you still have the Apple gestures, the traditional gestures that you get on the... Okay, yeah, this is dope, y'all. I'm not gonna even lie, this keyboard is dope. I can really see why people are saying that you can get that laptop feel using this keyboard with the iPad. I feel like Apple low-key had the ability to do this a long time ago, but they just were holding out, typical Apple form. But this is really nice. This is really nice, y'all. Woo! Some features that I would like to point out that I think are pretty useful here for the Magic Keyboard assisting the iPad is that it has the USB Type-C port on the actual keyboard itself, so you can charge the iPad directly using that keyboard port. and then freeing up the actual USB Type-C on the iPad for a dongle per se, or maybe charging your Apple Watch or whatever you might use your USB Type-C port for. You have that additional port available. Next is that on the Magic Keyboard you have the magnetic 3-prong clips that connectors that connect the iPad Pro to the keyboard, so there's no wireless charging, there's no Bluetooth that you have to worry about. You don't have to actually worry about charging the keyboard itself. The power comes straight from the iPad through the magnetic connectors. The keyboard fits flush against the iPad, which makes it really nice and sleek. It's a sleek form-fitting design that's easy, can be carried around in your hand, and you don't have to worry about bulk. It is have a little higher much weight compared to previous models that used a keyboard. However, this keyboard has the Apple logo embossed into it, so maybe that extra touch, you won't have to worry about that weight too much. So I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing of the Magic Keyboard. I went over a little bit of it, reviewing my first initial experience with the keyboard. Obviously, I'm gonna have to spend some more time using the keyboard with the iPad Pro, and to give you all like my overall feeling about the use of it, the functionality of it, and how it's going to make me ultimately a better student. Overall, this is a video that's just highlighting the unboxing of the Magic Keyboard. In the future, I might do a video going more in depth about my review and experience with the keyboard, because I have to spend some time with it in order for me to give you all a full high quality review about the keyboard. Hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. I see you all in the next video. Stay blessed.